Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So today I'm going to be picking the Sparrow's Revolver. So the way that this is set up, if you're not familiar with it, is it is um, got a different set of pins 4 times around, or every quarter turn. So where this little notch is, if I can get it to show up a little bit better, that's going to be your starting point. So this should be standard pins. And then with each quarter turn, it progressively gets harder and harder. I have taken apart number 4 and set it up a little bit more difficult. I believe, and I think this is how I've got it set, is so when you're looking at it, number 1 is your standard pin. Then I have a mushroom, serrated, mushroom cylinder, I believe. I can't remember 100%. I know that I did put a cylinder in. Actually, you know what? I think it's a standard mushroom, cylinder, mushroom, serrated. I think that's how I've got it set up. But anyways, I'm going to try to go once around the horn with single pin picking. I've got a couple of different picks set out. I've got covert instruments. I've got my Sparrow picks, which are actually rakes. This guy's kind of come in clutch sometimes as a single pin. But anyways, and then I'll crack open this box at the very end and show you guys some of the stuff that you get with it. All right, let's see what kind of damage I can do here. Just gonna go covert instruments first thing. Okay, so I'll cover that in just a second. Okay, so that's going to be number 1 down, so we're down to, or up to number 2. Crazy, you can hear the pins dropping. Okay, so that's number 2, halfway done. All right, that was number 3, and now we're on to number 4. So this is the one that I kind of made myself. I believe whenever it came, it just had the 2 mushrooms on the number 2, and all right, there it goes. Okay, so there is one thing that I've noticed about this. No matter how difficult I've tried to make it, there is a really big flaw. I mean, this is made to, test you and be able to repin it and, keep testing. But this is one of the things that I've noticed, which is I'm using the backside of the pick. So that's 1. That was 2. There goes number 3. And this is number 4. This is the one that I set up to try to be difficult in order. And then there goes number 4. back to the beginning. So that is, I don't have a follower yet, so I haven't been able to take this apart, but you can definitely tell that there is a bit of a gap there. So I'm guessing that the tolerance is just that far off to be able to do that. But anyways, before this video runs any longer than it needs to, so it does come with another key in order to, and I'm guessing that these are all the pins in order to reset it. And then it comes with extra springs, more driver pins, and then a couple of extra set screws for the top of it. And then these are all of your challenge pins. So there's a couple of standards in there, a couple of serrated mushrooms, all that good stuff, spools, plenty of spools in there. And it also comes with your Allen key. So anyways, that was the Sparrow Revolver.